homies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the army. As you see by the title, I'm going to be installing this honey blonde 13x4 Kinky curly wig by the brand Kemy Hair. And you guys, this is the perfect honey blonde. I love this type of blonde. It's like perfect for me. It looks way more natural. It looks like I actually dyed my hair. I just love how it came out, especially my edges and my baby hairs. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing right now about my baby hairs. Like, this is so cute, and I literally feel like I'm Barbie, but just the light skin version of Barbie. So if you want to see me install this beautiful honey blonde 13x4 kinky curly wig from Kemy, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by wiping off my forehead with the alcohol swab, so there'll be no types of oils or anything on my forehead, and it'll help the glue or spray last long on my forehead and help the wig last long and the ball cap and everything, so that's very necessary to do. Then I'm going to be taking the even spray and just putting it on my hairline. Then I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm just gonna cut it into like my hairline shape, and you know, just do the typical bald cap method. And now I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got from Kemy Hair. So as you can see, I received the Kemy Hair custom honey blonde kinky curly human hair 13x4 lace frontal wig, and the lace on it is a Swiss lace, and it comes with the little clips and the adjustable strap. And I just love the curl pattern on the hair, and an edge brush and a wig cap and lashes. And while I was brushing up the hair, there was like a little bit more shedding than usual. Yeah, that's what my brush looks like. I don't know how I feel about that, but then again, the hair is really thick. It has 150 density to it. And I'm just gonna hot comb my hair, and I did use the She Balm wax stick to prepare the hot combing, so it will be easier for me to glue or spray the lace down. And just look how good the hairline looks. Like, everything looks full and not too over plucked or anything. I really like this. But now I'm just going to be taking my even spray again and just glue down the lace. And this time I did not cut the lace then glue down, because I find it easier for me just to do it all at once. You'll see. Because last time when I had cut then glued, for some reason it made the lace look very wavy looking, like it was pulling like my forehead back or something. Made me look like I had a mini Botox look. I'm just going to be adding I added 5 layers this time, because last time I added like 2 layers, and this wig, well, the lace lasted for about 3 to 4 days, so that's really good. So always make sure to use a lot of layers, at least 5 to 6 layers. Then I'm just gonna push the lace down with my finger and use a comb to make sure everything is flat and even. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the even spray and just add 1 layer on top everywhere, just to make sure that it's secured. Like, pretty much make sure the lace is locked in the same place. And for the setting on the blow dryer, I definitely recommend you guys doing this on a low setting, because you know, the slower the better, instead of like doing it like so fast. Then what happens if you accidentally messed up and you have to move the lace a little bit? Then I'm just going to be taking my elastic band and let this melt for about 10 minutes. And everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be linked down below. And just look how good the lace looks. Like everything looks so melted and put together. And now I'm going to be cutting the extra lace that wasn't glued, and if some of the lace was glued, then I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit and cut most of it out, just to make sure everything looks realistic and it looks like my own hair lining and everything. Then I'm gonna spray this even spray and spray it onto this comb so I can have like the rest of the pieces that kind of lift up glue down. I just want everything to be secured and look very natural, especially on the sides. Like I notice I have trouble with the sides sometimes, so I have to really make sure that the sideburns are glued down. And then I'm gonna add the elastic band and just make sure everything is melted again. I melted that for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, and this is my favorite part because I used a product that really helped me lay my baby hairs down, and I'm so glad I had this. Actually, my mom had this, like I found this in her stuff, but yeah. So this is the spritz spray. The nozzle did break on it, so I had to dip my edge brush in there, but it still works perfectly fine, works perfectly the same, and this really helps lay these edges, especially if you're a beginner. Like, let me just say this, you do not want to use a lot because it can get really sticky. And also using this 1-inch flat iron or curling iron or whatever, like this helps even more because it gives you like a curl that you have to have with your edges, you know. That just helps a lot, and it was only $15 on Amazon. These two combinations just make your swoop look so laid and looks so good, pretty much. And this is how the edges look. And now I'm going to be taking my heat protector and just putting it on the area where I need to hot comb, so it'll look flat and look very realistic. And this is the part that I really didn't have to do because I changed my mind on the hairstyle that I wanted to do. But in case if you do want to have this middle part hairstyle, then I just left it in the video anyway. And I just decided to do this 80s, 90s, half up, half down hairstyle. I felt like this hair would be perfect for this look. So I'm just going to be taking a scrunchie and just put the hair, well, the half part, in a ponytail. And I really feel like this was perfect, for real. And this is the final result. Make sure you guys go check out Kemy Hair. I'll leave the wig and their website down below. this is the final look. I'm loving every single hair, makeup, little outfit. This kinky curly wig, honey blonde kinky curly wig, and the curl pattern is nice. I didn't put nothing in it besides water and like the spritz stuff in order for me to do the edges and everything, but other than that, this looks so good. But one thing I can say is that the shading is a little bit more than usual. My edges, on the other hand, the baby hairs and everything, I'm loving them. Seems like every time I do my 13x4 wigs or like the bald cap method that I get better every time. And this wig is 24 inches and the density of this wig is 150. So this is thick. Okay, it's really thick. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.